Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be presenting my birthday polynomial project. For today's project, I chose to do John Selena's birthday. For his birthday is 10/09/1940, which is going to give us the same numbers, just without the slashes. After we have this number, we're going to reverse it, which is going to give us 04/91/90/01. For my function, I chose to do a negative 4x to the power of 6 minus 9x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 minus 9x to the power of 3 plus 0x to the power of 2 minus 0x plus 1. For this equation, we're not going to need the zeros here, so we can just move them. It's not going to affect our product. And after we remove the zeros, our product is going to be this. Because of the negative in front of the 4, our equation is going to be a reflection over the x-axis. When we graph it, our function is going to look like this. It's going to go up onto the 89.862, and then it's going to go down to this point, and it's going to go all the way down. Our table is going to be negative 2.059 89.862, which is going to be our point all the way over here. After that is going to be negative 2.51, which is this point over here, to the 0. Our next point is going to be 0, 1, which is this point, and our last point is going to be 0.420, which is this point. Our domain is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity, which is from here to here, from the negative to the positive. And our range is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity. Again, for the y-intercept, will be found in the table here. So for the x-axis, the x-intercept is going to be where x is 0. For the x-intercept, it's going to be where x is equal 0. As you can see, we have two x-intercept here. And if you can see on the table, we can see how these two x's are in the 0 for the y. So negative 2.51 and the 0 is one of our x-intercepts, and 0.42 is going to be our other x-intercept. It's not only our x-intercept, but it can also be called our 0. But for this equation, I chose to do the x-intercept. And for the y-intercept is where x equals 0. So where you go to 1, x equals 0. So this is our y-intercept. For the end behaviors, as you can see in the graph, our graph on the left, it falls, and on the right, it falls. So falls to the left and falls to the right. Those are our two end behaviors. And for a maximum, we don't have a maximum and we don't have a minimum. Thank you for today for listening to my birthday polynomial project.